So this is how to repurpose content. You're going to click on where it says start a wizard, and first you're going to do the content fries trimmers, because this is where we're going to get the larger video and then pick out what parts we want. So you would click on start, and then you would upload from the link that I sent you. Okay, so once the file is uploading, then you would put, the language is English, and then click on all this so that it generates the captions easily. And then normally we would do Instagram video or Facebook video. Instagram video, it can only be 60 seconds. So let's say that's what we want, and we're just gonna click that. We can also make more than one video at a time, but for now, that's what we're going to do. And just wait for that to finish. It takes a little bit sometimes, maybe because it's a big file. It's gonna be about 2 minutes, so I'll pause the video now. Okay, so it's almost done here now. Okay, 100%. Let's give it a few minutes. Okay, and then we just click finish because now it lets us do it. Okay, finish. And so what we're going to do is here select what parts we want from the long video, right? We don't want the whole video, we just want some pieces from it, and just let it load there. Okay, great. So now it's loaded, and so what we're gonna do is oh, it's still loading, hold on. Alright, so you'll know when it's done editing. You can go back to the dashboard, clicking on the content fries logo. You see potatoes there, you click on it. You'll know it's done because it has here like all the audio. Okay, so then what you're going to do is select the start and ending points, where you're going to clip out a section. Okay, so I've already sent you like the times, so from what time to what time, format. Okay, like that. So you can just go here and put in like, I don't know, the 3 minutes that I told you at minute 4, minute 3, and then click there. You see down, let me make sure. So you click on the arrow there and it'll take you right there. So we're gonna put set starts, and you'll see it there at 3 minutes. And then what you're going to do is drag that like that. Obviously it's for Instagram, so it's going to be a minute. So you wait until, instead of it being like the 4 arrows like that, you want it to be only 2 left and right, and then the 2 things in the middle. So then you're going to move it down. Let's see if that's about a minute. No, you'll know here because on the right it tells you 4:14, so obviously that's a minute 15. So you want to get it down to less. I don't know, let's say you can also do it based on where there's some space. So let's say there. Okay, perfect. That's 57 seconds. Okay, we don't need this other one. And then let's say I also told you at, I don't know, let's say at minute 6 to get something else. You're gonna go there and here, right where the minute mark is. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, we want 0 there. Okay, 6. Okay, 6, and then the little arrow here. So then you see it brought it up to the 6 minutes. So let's do set start, and you'll see now it created a different one. And we're going to do the same thing and just drag that up to there. Okay, that's a little bit too much. Let's say, I don't know, up to a little bit more, up to here. Okay, perfect. But this one's going to be for I don't know, let's say Facebook, not Instagram. And this one here, this first one, we're gonna use it for for Instagram, and for IGTV, let's say. Okay, so that way you can see what it looks like. So there you can get 2 clips at a time. Okay, so 2 different things at a time. But let's say so you can take out multiple pieces. Okay, so then you would do generate. So it's going to create 2 content pieces for a total of 3. Yes, generate. And then we can just go back here to the logo. Okay. Okay, so this one here is the first one that we did, the one at the 3-minute mark, and this one is the one at the 6-minute mark. So let's just do this one so you see how it is to actually edit the short clips, right? So this is where you're going to add the title on the top, the captions, edit the captions if needed, add a little progress bar. Okay, so if you see here where it says, you're gonna be where it says fries, so we're gonna click on that. It's still processing. Okay, it's almost done processing, and you'll know because the captions here will come out. Alrighty, so it's done. So what we first are going to do is we're going to go here where on the right where it says templates, and we're going to do global templates. I like this one for that. It's fine, we can just keep it. I might have a different template done, and I'll let you know, hey, use this one. Okay, but for now we can just keep the one that's there. You can go back here to caption. First let's edit the title here. So you're going to click where it says your perfect headline, and we can edit that by putting here whatever title I've given you, right? But let's just put example title, and then you can add whatever emoji I told you to add. Okay, for now let's just keep it simple like that. We can also change make it bigger with the font size, give it more space. Position settings, it's fine there, that's fine. And that's the color for that. We can also change the background color. Right now I don't remember how to do that, but we can do that as well. Or you can just choose one of these templates here. Let's see what would happen. Okay, so it'll change it to that, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll go your perfect headline. I'll have the template ready for you, so it's just editing the title and making sure that the captions are right. So test headline, this here. Okay, okay, that looks great, that's perfect. And then the captions, let's make them a little bit bigger. So you can click here, captions, font size, okay, let's say 72. That looks good to me. And then you're gonna do here where it says where make sure captions is selected, you do start editing. So just make sure everything is spelled correctly. Sometimes you might need to like move things a little bit, but for the most part it's pretty good. And yeah, so you just go in here. Let's say hour should have an H, I don't know, to put an example. You just go there and you do that. Or that looks weird, so let's copy that to the other one, okay, and add the space. Okay, that's pretty simple. And then the only other thing would be play it through to make sure that it looks good, that all the spelling is correct and everything. And then the other thing you would do is add the outro. So you would do the video injections, outro, and then it's already there as a video, so you would do choose, and then that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Then once you're done, what you would do is click on settings here, and rendering, you want to make sure it says optimal or high quality. High quality is fine. And then confirm changes. Then you would hit download. Actually, let's see what save current frame. Okay, no, cancel. Okay, yeah, you would do export this context. Okay, okay, and then just let that render there. And then we're gonna go back and fix the other one that we did for IGTV. Okay, so once it's done, you just click on download, and then you click on the little fry logo on the top to go back. You also, once you click on the create the video, you don't have to sit there and wait for it to finish. You can just go back and edit the other videos, and then you can download it from here. Okay, but let's go back to the fries and edit the IGTV video so you can see some things there. So you're gonna click on IGTV video. It's for the same one, right? And then sometimes it'll come up with a message here saying, oh, this is linked to another video. Do you want to edit it? Do you want to unlink it? You're gonna put yes, so that way we can make edits to this one. So this one, what you can click on the progress bar, for example. We're gonna bring it up here, and then the video, let's click on the video. We want to change the height. Let's make it, I don't know, 1080 by, I don't know about these things, but let's say 7. No, I unlock this. So the width is fine at 1080, but let's make the height okay, that looks weird. I don't know, 1,000. And then let's just bring it up. Oh, wrong one. Let's leave that at 0. This one, let's, I don't know, right? I will figure this out and give you the actual dimensions. Okay, so I don't really use the IGTV, so it's not really something to worry about. But it's just to show you that you can edit multiple things using the same application. So then you would do the same thing. You would do download, export this content, and then the same thing. Okay, we can go back here and click on the content files, because that'll be there downloading on its own. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you wanted to edit the other one that we did for Facebook, you would click there and do the same process. I think it's pretty simple. So after it's finished rendering, what you would do is just download it here and then just upload it back to that Dropbox or whichever system we're using. It'll be something simple, okay? And then you can just delete that from your laptop or your desktop, right? Because you don't need to have that there. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know.